So hi everybody, we are going to build today this blinking rectangle morph. This is Squeak 6.0. The same technique should work flawlessly, for example, in Cuis or similar Smalltalk. Okay, so let's do it. You see what we are going to do is this thing, is this object that blinks red and black. To do this, we will create a category that is a classes container, my category. We will create the class blinking rectangle, which will be a subclass of the RectangleMorph. Let's see it. RectangleMorph is this, you see this thing here. And let's see something about it. Inspect, explore morph. Here it is, RectangleMorph. You see, this is the class. And what you can do with this, you can resize this, you can color it in some way, okay, but it doesn't blink. So what we want to do, it's a subclass of this RectangleMorph that blinks, okay. And let's do it. So let's drop this rectangle here. Let's get browser. So I already have built this object and this class. You see blinking rectangle class here. Not to delete the object that here is working, we will make a replica. So here we will create a new category, add item, my category 2, accept, okay. In my category 2, we define a new object that is blinking rectangle 2 that will be a subclass of RectangleMorph. Class, we call it blinking rectangle 2. Okay, save. Blinking rectangle comment is a RectangleMorph that can change color with a given frequency. Whatever. Good. In this blinking rectangle, we just need to add two methods. So we add the method step, change the color, and here I just copy the code that I already wrote before. What does it do? If color is red, then color becomes black. If color is not red, color will be red. This is what happened at each iteration. So this method step, it's called at each iteration in time. So this is the first thing. So next method we need to define is this step time. Step time tells how often we want to iterate. So that is how often we want to call the method step. And this value must be returned in milliseconds. So let's say, for example, I don't know, 100 milliseconds. Let's write it here. How often to call step in milliseconds. Okay, save. Perfect. So let's do an object of this class blinking rectangle 2. So blinking rectangle 2, new, open, in hand. That's it. One. Let's open another. and that's it, we made it. Okay, very well. Now if we want to change the frequency, flashing frequencies of this, it is very easy. We just change the frequency here. For example, we say 2000. It will change the state of the blinking or of the morph, the color of the morph, every 2 seconds. If we want to change the color, of course, we just can change step here. And so this is basically done. We have built our object, and we are ready to use it. Now, how could we improve it? So as you see, it could happen that we want this rectangle to have different colors, for example, and different frequencies. How do? We cannot change anymore the color like this, because it will be overwritten the first time the 2 second passes. We will have a change of state. And also another interesting thing is that we would like the frequency to be different. So if you see here, if you say, I don't know, 50 milliseconds and save, they start both to move at the frequency of 50 milliseconds, but maybe we want one to go slow and another to go fast. So we would like to implement this, the other, and maybe also to be able to do it via the GUI interface, say, so the halos or menu if you want. So maybe here there could be an halo that or a menu entry that permit us to set the color and the frequency. Also, an issue of synchronization could be interesting, but that maybe is more difficult. So I think this is a good simple example of morph, of active morph, and we'll see maybe in another episode how to implement these other features. That's all for today. Bye. Remember to save the image if you want to keep what you have done. So save here. If you don't have these flaps, the thing are called flaps. If you don't have them, you can get the morph like this. You go to left click in the world, objects, and here you have the rectangle. Okay, so, so bye.